people who have absolutely nothing in common, as far as I know.
Cisco, I know Barry's the Flash and Oliver's the Arrow.
How do you know that?
Because I'm the Black Canary.
Stop playing.
It's true.
You stop it right now. No.
Okay. Calm down.
I love you. I mean, I love the way that you beat up criminals. Wait. Why are you telling me this?
Because I need some technical expertise. I've been using my sister's sonic device. I was hoping you could help modify it.
Yeah.